right, guys, it's that time of year.
Jingle bells are starting to ring at Branches.
Open house is soon to come, November 10th, 11th, and 12th. We're so excited to host this event, this annual event. We are doing ticketed time slots, so make sure you get the time slot you want. Our ticket proceeds go to Pockets Full of Sunshine. It is a great organization on the island.
It supports the adults with special needs in our community and giving them an outlet for both social and crafting and things like that, and all of that goes back to their organization. We love them. They're fantastic.
They'll be there selling some of their goods as well.
Thursday's our VIP day.
Yes, so
Fun
there's
one. We've
special...
opening some more slots there too. So.
Yes, yeah. So hopefully, if you want to join us for that day, we've got these beautiful swag bags that we're going to be giving to our VIP guests that day.
Full of some exciting treats and goodies.
Yes, and you know our mom is already starting to plan her baked goods to be filling a box that'll go in the bag as well, and some other fun treats that we're gonna treat you to.
Yeah, but there'll be lots of things going on at the store. It's the best of the best. We keep it the most full, the most beautiful.
Yes.
It's always beautiful, but it's the most beautiful during open house. So.
Launching the holidays. Here we
right.
go.
But we are excited about November 10th, 11th, and 12th for our holiday open house. Hope to see you there. How was our thing?